Hello all. Today we have Mr. Rahul Chavan from Advantek Australia with us. Hi Rahul, welcome. How are you doing?
Good, Kunal. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much for joining us.
No
Rahul,
worries. Like
if you can start with sharing with us, what do you offer?
basically, we are an engineering firm or an engineering industry, I would say. We do plastic, metal, and all kind of engineering stuff. So mostly mechanical engineering. So we do parts for example, all the mining giants here in Australia, food industry. You know what? Like whoever uses a custom-made part, we cater those customers.
Nice. And who are your ideal clients who should reach out to you from our platform?
Your I'm not sure if your platform is for like, is it employers or employees?
It can be both. So it's
Yeah,
yeah,
for employees, I would say if they're working in an environment where they need mechanical designing, mechanical parts, or they're using parts which are coming from overseas and which they're looking for making it here in Sydney, we can do those things for them. We can design those parts for them. So in that way, the delivery is very quick. The cost is almost half the cost what the parts are coming from the overseas market, as well as the quality is pretty good because everything is certified. We have a genuine certification system, so all the material traceability and everything. For employers, I would say who are in mechanical engineering field, we can become a good partner with them and try to fill the gaps, like if they have issues with their existing suppliers or if they are trying to invent something, we can help them in that area.
nice. And what is the process that you follow and help your clients achieve their goals?
Okay, so I'll start from the beginning, like how we reach out the customers. The industry mechanic, like we are a big country in size, but if you look at the industry, it's not that big because the consumers are not that much. So the industry is pretty much limited, and everybody knows everybody. So when we reach out to clients, we will reach out to those people who are either using existing services from somewhere else, or they're trying to design some new things, or they're trying to cut costs or trying to get a better delivery. So in that way, so when we reach out, we ask them what's like if we can service them in any of those areas. And then the client sends us drawings or they will send us an idea like this is what they want to develop, or they'll have a part which is failing in the system and they want to have a different material or something which will last longer. Like some of these parts will be somewhere in Western Australia where it's in a mining field, and imagine that it's working 24/7, and if there is a breakdown, that part breaks that, and it's very hard to fix that, and the downtime of that line, like they're talking millions every day. So then we will suggest them that you can use this part instead of this. You can change a little bit, put a little bit of meat on the part, and then it will last longer. So that kind of system we do. So we will suggest the designs. So we will not say that this is the design and it should work. And we will get their engineers to certify that design. And if they're happy with it, then we will manufacture it and put it to test. So in that way, if that helps, then we will keep supplying the parts for them. So this is roughly what we do.
Awesome.
Yeah,
And finally, a bit about your journey so far. Any milestones that you'd like to share with us?
there are plenty. Like every day is a milestone for us. It's been like for me, it's been 20 years. This is the 20th year in Sydney. For the business, it's 11th year. So we started with one small machine. Right now we have 10 different machines. So in-house, we do have machinery which is probably most sophisticated you can find anywhere else in the country. The parts what we do, we rank ourselves probably third in the country, and some of the parts which we do is specifically done by us, so nobody touches it. So we cater a lot of industries. You can nuclear power, everything, everywhere you will see our parts. Most of the food industry in Sydney, they have 80% of our parts. So they have forgotten how to order parts from overseas.
Nice.
Whatever breaks down, they'll just call us. Milestones again. Yeah, we've got ISO 9000 certification as well. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah.
Awesome. Awesome.
Mm.
And if I can ask, how big is your team now?
We are a team of seven,
Nice.
and everybody like we work in two shifts. And the setup is designed in a way that here, like we can't have too many people on board. So everybody, it's a skilled kind of
Yeah.
work, and it's very hard to replace people. So whoever we have, they have to go through at least 6 months to 1 year training until they can start working by themselves. So, but we have developed a system in a way that every machine, every system, everything is controlled online. So I can be anywhere in the world and I can still run the show. So I'm still like I work in-house there. I do sales as well. Everything is done. My wife, Richa, she works with us as well. So between us two, I would say we are a team of four, five, and then the
Nice.
other guys. So um, and the people are trained in a way that one person can at least run 2 to 3 machines at one time. So it's all controlled. The quality system is in place, and we work paperless as well. So there are no papers used on the shop floor. Everything is controlled through iPads, and so we try to use the new technology as much as possible.
Excellent. Rahul, if there's anything else that you would like to share with us about your journey with Advantech.
Yeah, I think the success of a business is mostly also dependent it depends on our customers, and mostly the customers are like as I said, the employees on your hub who are working in different areas. There are people working like in our community, people are working in different areas on good positions, so they will bring me leads. So my job is to get the lead, get the first step inside, and then settle there, so we try to then it's up to us like how we live up to the expectation. Having said that, new migrants come to the country, so our company, since its beginning, we have at least employed over 60 new migrants. So that our job was the first job for them. You know how difficult it is to get a
Yeah.
job in here. So some of them stayed with us for 3 years, 4 years. Some of them maybe a few months, 6 months, and they get a job and then move on. So all these people who go out and work in different environments, they also bring back business to us, because they remember that this is the first job we had. So I would say that is a success overall.
Nice. And
Mm.
congratulations for all the success that you have got so far and wish you all the best.
Thank you, Kunal. Thanks.